By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to define the power of visual aids in the teaching and learning process. Describe the main strategies for the effective use of visual aids to support learners' outcomes. Determine the benefits of visual aids in different teaching learning situations. Define the key challenges and potential pitfalls faced by teachers and students during classroom presentations. Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture explores the power of visual aids and students' quality learning. It also sheds light on the profound impact of visual aids in enhancing the learning experience that may create an inclusive and dynamic learning environment and prepare individual learners for success in an ever-evolving world. If you're interested in learning more about didactics, then, welcome to the UNIV-ENGLISH channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also smash the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our new videos. So, let's begin with this question. How can you define visual aids in the teaching and learning process? In the ever-evolving landscape of education, the power of visual aids transcends traditional teaching methods, offering a dynamic and engaging pathway to knowledge acquisition. Visual aids have become indispensable tools for teachers to create a dynamic and effective learning environment that promotes understanding, engagement, and student success. The strategic use of visuals in classrooms not only captures the imagination but also facilitates deeper understanding and retention. Teachers are invited to explore the profound impact of visual aids in enhancing the learning experience. Benefits of visual aids in education. Visual aids play a pivotal role in education, offering a multitude of benefits that go beyond mere aesthetics. They have the extraordinary power to bring concepts to life, simplify complex ideas, and ignite curiosity in learners of all ages. Teachers should acknowledge the importance of visual aids in education and explore how they can foster comprehension, engagement, critical thinking, and creativity. The importance of visual aids in education can be summarized in the following. 1. Enhances comprehension. Visual aids provide visual representations of information, making it easier for students to understand complex concepts and grasp abstract ideas. 2. Improves retention. The combination of visual and verbal information improves information retention. Visual aids help students remember and recall information more effectively compared to text-only approaches. 3. Increases engagement. Visuals capture students' attention and create an engaging learning environment. They stimulate curiosity, provoke thought, and maintain interest throughout the lesson. 4. Supports different learning styles. Visual aids cater to visual learners who thrive on visual representations. By incorporating visuals, educators can reach a broader range of students with diverse learning preferences. 5. Facilitates critical thinking. Visual aids encourage students to analyze, interpret, and evaluate information. They prompt students to think critically, draw connections, and develop higher-order thinking skills. 6. Sparks creativity and imagination. Visual aids inspire creativity and imagination by presenting information in visually appealing and imaginative ways. They stimulate students' creative thinking, and encourage them to explore new perspectives. 7. Enhances communication. Visual aids promote effective communication by providing a visual framework for discussions and presentations. They help students articulate their thoughts and ideas more clearly. 8. Overcomes language barriers. Visual aids can transcend language barriers by conveying information visually. They enable students with limited language proficiency to understand and participate in the learning process. Types of visual aids. Teachers have different visual aids at their disposal, each with its unique power to captivate, inform, and inspire. From eye-catching charts and graphs to immersive videos and interactive simulations, visual aids come in various forms, each serving a specific purpose in enhancing the learning experience. The different types of visual aids in education can be summarized in the following. 1. Charts and graphs. Visual representations of data and information that simplify complex concepts and facilitate understanding through visual patterns and comparisons. 2. Diagrams and models. Visual tools that illustrate the structure, relationships, and processes of various subjects, allowing students to visualize and comprehend abstract ideas. 3. Infographics and posters. Visual displays that combine text, images, and design elements to convey information in a concise and visually appealing manner, making complex topics more accessible. 4. Photographs and illustrations. Visual aids that provide real-life or conceptual images to enhance understanding, spark imagination, and create connections with the subject matter. 5. Videos and animations. Dynamic visual aids bring concepts to life through motion, sound, and storytelling, engaging students' senses and facilitating deeper comprehension. 6. Interactive presentations and simulations. Multimedia tools that allow students to actively engage with content, enabling hands-on exploration, experimentation, and problem-solving. Strategies for effective use of visual aids. In the field of education, the effective use of visual aids has the potential to revolutionize the learning experience, captivating students' attention and enhancing their understanding. Teachers employ a range of techniques to harness the impact of visual aids, seamlessly integrating them into their teaching methods and applying thoughtful design principles. By doing so, they create an immersive and impactful learning environment that fosters student engagement and deepens their comprehension. Strategies for effective use of visual aids in education can be summarized in the following. 1. Align with learning objectives. Ensure that the visual aids directly support the intended learning outcomes, reinforcing key concepts and helping students achieve specific goals. 2. Keep it clear and concise. Simplify the visuals to focus on the most essential information. Use clear fonts, minimal text, and uncluttered design to enhance readability and comprehension. 3. Use appropriate visuals. Select visual aids that are most suited to the content and learning objectives. This may include charts, diagrams, images, videos, or interactive multimedia, depending on the subject matter and the student's needs. 4. Enhance visibility. Ensure that visual aids are visible to all students, regardless of their seating positions. Use appropriate font sizes, colors, and contrast to ensure legibility, and consider the size of the visual aids in relation to the classroom space. 5. Integrate interactively. Encourage active student engagement by incorporating interactive elements within visual aids. This could include allowing students to manipulate graphs, participate in discussions around images, or analyze data presented in charts. 6. Provide context and explanations. Supplement visual aids with clear explanations, providing context and guiding students' understanding of the information being presented. Verbal reinforcement helps students connect visual information to broader concepts. 7. Use sequential presentation. When presenting complex visuals, break them down into smaller, sequential steps. This allows students to follow along and grasp the information more effectively. By employing these strategies, educators can harness the full potential of visual aids, creating a dynamic and engaging learning environment that supports student understanding, retention, and overall academic success. Overcoming challenges and potential pitfalls. Visual aids can transform learning into an immersive and captivating experience. However, they come with their own set of challenges and potential pitfalls that teachers must navigate. These challenges can be summarized in the following. 1. Technical difficulties. Prepare in advance by testing and familiarizing yourself with the technology and equipment needed for displaying visual aids. Have backup plans in case of technical failures. 2. Information overload. Avoid overwhelming students with too much information on a single visual aid. Break complex concepts into smaller, digestible chunks and provide clear explanations to guide students' understanding. 3. Distractions. Minimize distractions in the learning environment that may divert students' attention away from the visual aids. Set clear expectations, create a focused atmosphere, and strategically place visual aids to maximize engagement. 4. Misinterpretations, insufficient preparation. Provide clear explanations and context to accompany visual aids, ensuring that students interpret the information accurately. Encourage student participation and discussion to address any misconceptions. 5. Accessibility considerations. Ensure that visual aids are accessible to all students, including those with disabilities. Provide alternative formats, such as audio descriptions or tactile representations, to accommodate diverse learning needs. 6. Visual aid overload. Avoid overwhelming students with an excessive number of visual aids. Use them strategically and purposefully, focusing on the most relevant and impactful visuals for the learning objectives. Conclusion? Visual aids are powerful tools that can transform the learning experience, captivate students' attention, and enhance understanding. Through thoughtful preparation, interactive engagement, and alignment with learning objectives, visual aids can become catalysts for deep understanding and meaningful connections. By reflecting on their effectiveness and making necessary adjustments, teachers can continuously refine their use of visual aids to create dynamic and impactful learning experiences. Teachers can transform classrooms into vibrant learning environments where visual aids inspire curiosity, foster understanding, and ignite a lifelong passion for knowledge.